Welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly, and this is, well, my channel. And I have a box for you. It's a brand new box, and it's called PA Extraordinaire's Book Box. And here it is. This box is heavy. It is all get out. I don't know what's in here, but we're about to find out. So, here we go. Whoop! And I almost dropped it on me. Oh my goodness. There it is. A lot of stuff in here. There's all the stuff. It doesn't look like there's a paper in here anywhere. Okay. Well, I guess we're just gonna start. Well, anyway, this is a monthly subscription box of signed romance books. Yeah. And it is $25 a month. That is it, $25 a month. So this is Find Your New Book Boyfriend with Us. And it says, subscribers are thrilled with their book boxes. Readers are surprised with their books from NYT and USA Today best-selling authors and are introduced to indie authors and that are new to them. Be sure to check out the visitors posts on our Facebook page to see what people are saying about us. You get New York Times and USA Today bestsellers, indie authors, signed paperback, signed swag, and one piece of jewelry, teas, and chocolates in this box. So let's see all of what I've got in here, because there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, I got some coasting with a drink and a good book. Some coasters, and these are from J. Thiel, indie author. And there are some coasters. And they actually have like the print, I think, of the book on it. Must be that's what it is, the print of the book. Those are cool. I love coasters. I hate cleaning, so I love coasters. And then this is Naomi Springthorpe. I wish I knew what all of this was. I really don't. Oh my goodness, there is 4 books in here. Holy goodness gracious. All right, let's start with this bag of stuff. Pretty pink bags, I love those. There is looks to be maybe a bracelet. I think that's what it is, a bracelet. And there's like a little book on it. And it's got like a little heart on there, and then this says Pride and Prejudice on it. Pride and Prejudice is what it says there. I'm trying to hold it so you can see it, but it's just giving me a problem right now, so there we are. And those are little beads. That's kind of cute. I mean, I don't know if I would wear it, but maybe one of my grandchildren might wear it. They're, you know, a little younger than me. So anyway, here's another pretty pink bag, and it looks like we have a Do Not Disturb sign here. Reading Do Not Disturb Acquired Assets. And it looks like that's going to be one of these books in here. Very interesting. Betty Schreffler, these must be, that's the author, signed this bookmark, and the author signed this bookmark. There we go. I'm thinking that this one is going to be signed by this author, Breaking Benjamin. I hope that book's in there, that would be nice. And then, My Book Boyfriend is Waiting. Romance author Leah Holt. And that's what that says. And then we have a couple of pens here. A Gorman. Nice pen. And then I got a pretty pink pen. I just love pink pens. And then there is a bunch of like share your box, a bunch of little inserts. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to Naomi Springthorpe. Yay. And then so many books, so little time. Yes, that's how I exactly feel. And here is JM, Let Love In. There's another, I'm assuming a bookmark. Jessica Marin's Misfits. And then there is that. Heartbreak Warfare, Jessica Marin. Until Valerie, Jessica Marin. And then that one I showed you already. Make a Wish. Okay. And then we have something wrapped in this, purple. Oh, isn't that cute? It's got like a little thing in it. A little, I don't know what that is, but I don't think I can get, nope, that doesn't open. It's got something in there, a little book on it. Must go with one of these in there, but it is cute, like a little ship in a bottle, you know, like that. Oh, it's a bracelet, I think, or two. Oh, I should have showed you in the bag, huh? I'm just a bad host today. Bad host. Okay, get in there. All right, there's the bag it came in, and the two little bracelets. They're so cute. I'll show you them. They have little stars on them. See a little star on them. So cute. They fit my wrist, maybe. I don't know. No, not too much. But there's another one with a little star on it. I'm way off on the camera, wasn't I? There we go. Ah, they barely fit my adult wrist. Very cute. I like that. There. Oh, and got some candles, and these are very cute candles. Okay, my apologies. I got a phone call in the middle of making this video, and I had to run out really fast. So we're gonna finish this video now. I was on the start of the books. So the first book in this box is called Ripple Effect, and it is by Evan Grace. And it says, Ripple Effect. Ripley Brown had the kind of love that would last a lifetime, until the night it died in a tragic death, leaving her reeling and obliterating her ability to trust another man with her heart. Sounds wonderful. And the next book is Let Me In, Book 2, Perfectly Lonely by Jessica Marin. I think that's what it says. And this is, on a business trip to Vegas, Layla Sands confesses a secret that wasn't hers to tell. Uh-oh. In this enticing follow-up novel from Jessica Marin, I loved and lost, now I lose myself in mindless sex, drinking, and work. Anything to pass the time and fill the void that I feel. Another drink, another guy, until Chase Wilson. He's not what I expect. Turns out he's also not who I thought. Uh-oh. Then again, neither am I. Some might call what I'm doing destructive. I call it survival. When finally putting myself out there backfires, I vow not to let it happen again. I know what my body wants, but it's not what my heart needs. And it's about time I learned the difference. That sounds like a good book too. All these books are steamy. Steamy, steamy. And there's another book, Act 1, Cirque, international best-selling author Ashley Giannaccaro, I can't say the name. I feel like a crazy person trying. Cirque, I think that's how you say it, Cirque. I think. A boy looked in a window to see a naughty show. Through the pain of pain, the master clown did a blow. The circus is a holy tent, the keeper of my rhyme. When I forge my chains, creating the pantomime. Pretending to be normal, I wait until after dark. Then I paint the frown on, get a whore from the park. At the bottom of the bed was a darling in a chest. She watched with big eyes, horror hooking her from the rest. She dances from the maniac, twirling on her strings. I will make her mine, sharing damaged things. I will be her riddle, she will help me grin. So why does she run away? She has to let me in. No one loves the clown, not even the midget. We've gone too far, she will know my secret. Love can break the hardest mask. I know this to be true. Nightmares have hearts too. I only needed you. Wow. Okay. Okay, that is different. There's Cirque, kind of like Cirque du Soleil. Okay. I'm gonna check that one out too. And the last one is an Amazon best-selling author, Anna Edwards, Dark Sovereignty, Legacy of Succession. And there's that one. Born into privilege, Victoria Hamilton has endured a life of opulent captivity. Disallowed to associate with any men outside her kin, she ventures beyond her gilded cage, vicariously through the art books she adores and the adventures of her dear friend Tamara. Nevertheless, this staid existence has left her naive and wildly unprepared when Victoria is finally allowed to debut into society, a debut unlike any other, with no place for the weak. That looks spicy too. These books are pretty spicy books. I don't mind these books at all. You get 4 books in this box. So I think this is a very, very good deal for this box. And there's still more. You get this. It's a book sleeve. You can put your book in it. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, there's a little heart or little cards in here. Thank you for supporting my small business. Never not reading book covers. Oh, okay. That's what the name of this business is. Hello, Deborah C. Bospacia. And that's who makes it. Never not reading books. Okay, so that's what that looks like. It's a book cover, and you put your book in it. And protects your book. You can carry your book around with you. Cool. That's a pretty cool book cover. Awesome. And then it just protects your book. Cool. I like that. Cool. And then there's some fairy tales set on fire. And it says Amy Briggs. It's a pen. And Anna Edwards, Glacial Blood. And then there's this little thing here. Melissa Bell, indie author. And there's something inside. It's a little thing here. Let's see what's inside. And then we shall be done. Oh. Let's see what this. I think they're clothespins. Oh my goodness. They're clothespins. They have like the newspaper print on them. Isn't that cool? Cool. There's like all kinds of neat little stuff in this bag, or box, excuse me. I said bag. And then there's some lip balm. Something international. I can't see it. Can't see it, but there's some lip balm in. Okay, so if you would like to get your own PA Extraordinaires box, please click the link down below and you will get a very full box for 25 bucks a month. You cannot beat that for this box. And I believe currently they're sold out, it looks like. But I mean, go ahead and check them out. Maybe you can sneak an order in there, and definitely give them a definite look. And I mean, this is amazing for the price. And like I said, I highly recommend this box. This box was amazing for the amount of stuff that you get in this box. Give them a look-see. All right, guys. Well, that is it for this video. And I definitely appreciate each and every one of you stopping by and checking out my channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right over there. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. And now I can take a deep breath. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.